So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So this is a tech video about CallFluent KYC. The KYC process has officially begun, and if you have been paying attention, you know exactly what that signals. Distribution is coming soon. So they already started rolling out KYC for CallFluent, and let's go now and do our KYC, guys. Pretty very simple. So if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Samuel, and subscribe if you're really enjoying this video. So this is the app now. So I'm going to long press on the mining button. So as you can see, KYC verification. So we can now do our KYC now. I'm going to click on I agree with the conference KYC terms and conditions. Click on that, click on continue. Continue again, your country, Nigeria. I'm going to click on that and click on continue. I confirm that I will follow the criteria. So these are the criteria: a good lighting, a clear background. So read it all and understand. So it's going to take me to where we are going to do our KYC, guys. So this just sits. So it's connecting to my phone camera here. So this is it. So you are going to see, move closer to the camera. Once you position your head very well, you are going to see, please don't move. You are not going to move until everything is going to be done. Calculating lifeless, turn right. So you are going to see, just follow the screen instruction, turn right, turn left, raise up your head. As you can see, it's just pretty simple. Verification completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC. Your identity is now verified. Click on continue. As you can see, my identity has been verified. And not all, you are going to see a blue tick to your name, to your username at H-QTV. At the top, you are going to see a blue tick. That means that your account is verified. And keep mining. We are going to distribute it to our wallet. A video guide is coming on that also. So make sure you subscribe and like this video. I'm going to see you in the next video.